CRWD stock analysis and CRWD stock prediction. In this very brief and short 1 minute video, I'm going to break down my exact play. Look, I've been in the market for 4 years, made 5 years, and I made 40,000 videos. So I've seen what's making me money and what's not. And now just saying this, you can literally check my YouTube channel. You can see the proof. And ultimately, I don't know about you, but this is like a year plus ago, like maybe 2. Let's see. Yeah, it was 1st of September 2023, mate. Like that's 1.5 years ago, and you can see it was 160 at the time, and I was expecting the price to reach $300. That's that swing that I'm talking about. And this was like such a great call out that I just kept on the chart ever since. And then since then I got a loss, you know, win, a loss, and then 3 wins, and even like the most recent prediction just managed to deliver. So from here on, what I'm looking to do is just still double down on CRWD and buy more. I'm praying for a little pull down. So I'm saying if it does pull down, it gives me some sort of a shift, but like randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free email.